Hello there. People are always telling me that I'm never showing them the dry artworks. Well, this is the 12 by 16 from yesterday that started me, and the one after that was a 18 by 24, and I like that even better, but it gave me ideas, and so there's going to be more in the series. And I'm going to take this out of here, and I'm going to tell you that I'm hoping this is going to be fast, but I have making no promises. So what I liked about that were the swirly designs. And what I liked about it also is the fact that I led my swipe cloth around. Now I'm thinking if I just put some black lines in, I don't like that double that double thing. Alright, so what I'm thinking about is attempting to make some black areas and fill in colors elsewhere. And I have no idea how this is going to work, but I promise I'm going to have some fun. Maybe make use of my turntable. I'm not going to worry about what doesn't get covered right now. This is a first-time experiment, so there are no rules. That's the way this works. For me, anyway. If you start with rules, you're going to have problems right off, because you're going to break them. Hopefully you can see fairly well, and hopefully I'm going to leave myself enough white space to actually put some colors down. I like that. I could take a photograph of that and be pretty happy. Looks like that might be the place I start my swipe. See if I can get the paint all the way to the edges. Not going to worry about my sides yet. I'm going to throw that tool in the bucket. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. I might have mentioned that before. So I'm just going to have some fun. And I'm going to try and remember to spatula things into place. Actually, let's try this. Let's try my palette knife, just because we haven't. And let's try some really out there colors too, because I haven't done that either. Here's my little rubber scraper, not to waste any paint. Wipe my tools off because I'm trying to learn to be a good girl. This is a lovely metallic purple. I'm not really thinking too specifically about the patterns and how they're going to wind up this time. That might happen another time, probably not this time. I'm going to be a little focused because I have no idea at all what I'm doing, but that's the way I like it. Well, I have this vague plan. I guess that's a lie. I've been thinking about these negative spaces and filling them in, and I've also been thinking about using weird colors, because sometimes, I think I've said that before, sometimes the weirdest colors make the coolest patterns. I would like a certain amount of balance. I don't know that I'm going to get it, but I live in hope, constantly. I'm not going to get too much other weird, rude paint on there if I can help it, but it's bound to happen, and since it's all going to get mixed up anyway, it doesn't really matter. I wanted some gold in there, some black, and I never use enough red. I love what the magenta red does when it pops through on a swipe. Let's just add that down there, shall we? Because we can. Now, what would look interesting with that? I think I always like metallic orange, but I said I was going to use red, and I'm going to try, I want pink instead though. Okay. I'm just going to throw a little of that right there, right here, right here, right there. Yeah, I know I'm weird. It's okay. Taking myself a long time, and I'm all good with it. Now, might as well continue with my trying not to waste paint theory. Let's tap our pink into place and hope that it can survive against all those other darker colors. No rhyme, no reason, just going for it. Got some white pearl around here somewhere I'd like to use. I'd like a little contrast in color some places. Yes, I have stopped using the spatula. I think I'm going to have myself a little yellow because I liked the way it popped yesterday. I have a starting place. I haven't added my favorite color. Maybe I should put that white pearl in and the gold before it's too late. I've wanted to put a base color down on and then swipe above that. That was plenty. That was plenty. What else do I want to do here? That's a different color blue. That's okay. I have some darker blue I've been dying to use. This might not be the right place for that. And it's not that different, so I'm not going to worry about it. I do have some really poppy green. What else did I say? I said red. Did I ever get any? Not even listening to myself. Go figure. Same old, same old. And I think the red will... How about my glasses? They're on my face. Yep. Then I can see the spots I missed. Cool. How about that? Alright. We're just about to start. I just want to take one last look around and make sure there's nothing else that I could really use to have. I have some really funky green. Actually, you know what? That is what I want. I want some of that dark green. I may regret it, now that I see it. But I'm not minding too much. I have some dark purple. And if I have too much paint, that means that I will also have something to do my edges with, which is okay with me. Okay, this is totally weird. I'm going to put some of this paint out of the way. And I did grab myself, before I started, a couple of swipe cloths. Yesterday when I did this, I put some paint onto my swipe cloth, and I think that's exactly what I'm going to do again. There's my wrung out hem from a t-shirt or a turtleneck, probably a t-shirt, heavy one. I'm going to throw some of this color I like down here, and I'm going to throw some of that color I like right there. I'm going to drip some of that color I like everywhere. And I'm going to go to town. Just keep making, I'm trying to run it off the edge. I'm going to take my swipe color and tap my edges with it, because I need something on my edges. There's plenty of black coming down over the edge in most places, so I'm not unhappy with that. Can't wait to see what happens when I torch in a moment. See if there's anything else I want to do. This is working so far. I'm just going to keep at it so I don't have to think about it afterwards. I'm liking how that's working out. I'm not sure I'm still in the camera lens view. But I'll fix that in a minute. If you can't see, don't worry. I'll be back to let you see in a moment. And that looks like, yeah. Now, what else do I want to do, if anything? Do I want to drag something else through it again? Like some black. Kind of liking that. Not minding that either. It kind of negated my whole theory about my negative space, but I'm not done yet. I don't want any more black there, that's for sure. But I have another wrung out swipe cloth. And I'm going to pick up some more color here. I'm going to put it down right here because that's where I want it. Because I've always wondered if I could do that, and now I know. I sort of can. Let's just do that again. I'm going to drag. Okay, it looks quite a bit like the others. Why am I not as happy? I don't know. I like that better. I think it needs something over here. I think I'm still dripping on everything. I think I'm gonna take some more color. Sort of because I can. Oh, I like that now. I'm much happier with that now. And I've got colors on there, so I'm going to do the same thing over in this corner. Wishing I could put some more colors over in this corner, but not really too bad. I'm liking that. I'm really tempted to try some white pearl, but I don't think it really needs it right now. You know me, I can't get enough of this color. I'm gonna throw some in wherever I can. Not minding that at all. Not really. Not minding that. I think. Oops, and it came right out. So it must have been a meant to be thing. It's fairly subtle down there. Not too obnoxious. That's helping me cover a little missing piece of canvas. Okay, before I lose my window of opportunity, I think I'm going to torch. And I can't really RainX at this point because I haven't brought it out, but I could always run after it. That was actually a lot of fun. And we have 5 minutes left. And it helps me in my own, figuring out the evolution of things. I like the idea. What do I like the idea of? I like the idea of doing that right there. And then I'm still trying to fix that corner, but I'm happier than I was a moment ago, and that's a good thing. And that is just gorgeous. Wow. It doesn't mean I'm done, evidently. I'm liking making those swirly shapes. Why not? You gotta go all out for the gusto at least once, you know? And I got some colors down there that I wanted, and I wonder if I can fake myself into thinking that that was yet another maybe. We'll see. Use that little tool. Let's just do that. That's way too smooth. Way too smooth. Okay, so where's my tubing? Let's blow a few things around. Wrong end. Yep, that was fun. Where else? Not too many places, really. Except for I love it when the pinks pop. That is pretty darn cool, you got to admit. It's not making me want to not RainX, though. Matter of fact, I'm going to go get it. I'll be back in a moment. And I'm going to do about 18 inches up. What else do I want? Anything here? I get what I get. If I don't pay attention now. No, I'm loving that. Whew. Okay, well, that, my friends, is making me pretty happy. I know it's like the others, but it's just a more elaborate version, and I'm not bothered by that a bit. I would want to buy that somewhere because it's cool. And hopefully, somebody who feels like contributing to supporting the studio will help me out at some point in time. And this would be an awesome acquisition. I don't see any of the gold I put in there. Did I put very much gold in there? I don't recall putting much of any gold in there. Well, maybe that's for the next one. Okay, you've seen what I've seen. Let me back that off a little bit so you can see more of it. Adjust my camera just a bit. I wonder if I focused. Seems like I did. All right, everybody have a great day. I had a ball. Thank you for joining me. And join me again next video. There will be more. I promise.